Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to learn about comparative and superlative adjectives. These are useful when you want to compare things or talk about the highest degree of something. Let's get started. Comparative adjectives are used when we want to compare two things. For short adjectives with just one syllable, we add er plus than. For example, this car is faster than that car. For longer adjectives with two or more syllables, we use more plus the adjective plus than. For example, she is more beautiful than her sister. Some adjectives don't follow the regular rules and are called irregular comparative adjectives. For example, instead of saying gooder, we say better, like in this book is better than the other one. For many or much, we use more, as in she has more books than me. With little, we say less, like I have less money than you. And for bad, the comparative form is worse, as in, today is worse than yesterday. Superlative adjectives are used to compare three or more things, showing which one is the highest or most extreme in a group. For short adjectives, we add the plus est. For example, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. For longer adjectives, we use the most plus the adjective. For example, she is the most intelligent student in the class. Some superlative adjectives are irregular, which means they don't follow the usual rules. For example, instead of saying the goodest, we say the best, like, this is the best movie ever. For many or much, we use the most, as in he has the most toys. With bad, the superlative form is the worst, like it was the worst day of my life. And for little, we say the least, as in that's the least interesting part of the story. Let's practice together. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the adjective. This bag is light than my backpack. Today is hot than yesterday. He is good player in the team. Here are the answers to the practice exercises. This bag is lighter than my backpack. Today is hotter than yesterday. He is the best player in the team. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more lessons and exercises to help you improve your English. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and you'll see great progress. And of course, follow us for more useful and fun resources. See you in the next video.